At S&B Marketing, we specialize in getting your company or organization noticed. Here is our newest product to grab anyone's attention. The Custom Logo Charger is ideal for companies and organizations who value the importance of technology and instant brand awareness. Power up your company logo with this trendy illuminated power bank decorated with a full color design. This power bank features a sleek mirror finish when not in use and lights up your company's logo while charging smartphones, tablets, and other devices. The back of the custom imprint promotional power bank comes with 12-point suction cups to attach to phone, tablet, and serves as a vertical and horizontal device stand. These LED power banks serve as gifts or as a fundraiser. Custom logo chargers make a big impression on would-be and existing clients. Every time they recharge and use these power banks, maximum exposure for the company brand, which is the ideal choice as promotional gifts, giveaways, souvenir for trade shows, conference, company event, clients, employees, new product releases, etc. So add extra pride to your mascot or specialize your logo and show it off every chance you get to your crosstown rivals.